This year, the governor has already vetoed 76 bills and says he will continue to do so until lawmakers can come to a compromise on property tax relief. JJ Maldonado gives us a closer look at what that could mean for Texans.
I love owning a home. I was renting in Austin for years, but I had to move every year during the rent increases.
From living in Austin to now in Hays County, Marissa Brown bought her home in 2021 during the peak real estate boom in Central Texas.
Being able to have a more fixed mortgage and kind of do whatever you want with your home is pretty exciting.
Marissa says she factored in her property taxes when buying her home, anticipating increases along the way.
Having to anticipate property tax increase every year can be pretty stressful, especially since, we live in a state and specifically a county with one of the highest property tax rates.
Property taxes are paid by real estate owners and can vary by the county you live in. Texas has one of the highest property tax rates in the country. During the legislative and special session, state leaders have been divided on how to spend taxpayer money so homeowners can see some relief on their property taxes. The Senate wants tax relief in the form of increase in the Homestead Exemption, while the House and the governor are pushing for relief for homeowners and business owners by reappropriating public school funding, which now mainly comes from property taxes.
We're so close on what the strategy should be to use that $17.6 billion. Now it's just time to close the divide, get a law to my desk so I can sign it, and we can start cutting property taxes as quickly as possible.
Lynn Krebs, a research economist at the Texas Real Estate Research Center at Texas A&M University, says the rapid rise of home prices has made this a hot topic in Texas.
So whether you own a home or you rent a home or an apartment or something like that, there's property taxes involved, whether it's you personally or the landlord.
Homeowners may also protest their taxes if they feel they are too high. Tyler Hogan is a Dallas resident and a real estate agent who has recently been successful protesting his property taxes.
So I would say put the time and effort into researching what exactly property taxes are, how it works, what you're paying, and then understand the protest process and why it's very important to protest your property taxes and not just to brush it under the rug and just move to the next year and eat the $50 or $100 increase, because you get to years like this and it's a lot more than that.
Marissa says she has no plans to move and hopes to see some savings in the near future.
Any additional money in the pocket is good. It's definitely not fun having to budget for that increase every year when I see the property taxes come in. So I'd definitely be excited to have a little relief there.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel, and for more refreshing stories about your community, click the subscribe button right over here. You can also download our Spectrum News app to get live news coverage, weather alerts, and more wherever you are. And don't forget to tune in to Channel 55 on Dish and DirecTV for live local reporting every single day. We'll see you then.